Hi, my name is Lena Schmuck, and this is Lab 2. I'm doing it for chemistry. The class is Chem 1405. This is what I'm going off of as a formula, and then that's also another formula that I'm using. So if like you see pound, like I'll use pound and kg, and then I'll use a liter, and then stuff like that in the mile. So this is how you do it. First, hold up, am I on the right page? No, I'm not. All right, let me flip it. All right, so this is what you want to do. We're converting all this, by the way. We're converting the grams to pounds. We're converting, what else are we converting? We're converting tablespoons to milliliters. Excuse me. We're also converting miles to kilometers. What else are we converting? We're converting yards to miles. What else are we converting? Yards to miles, and then we're converting feet to QT, and then we're converting troy OZ to kilogram. All right, so let me show you how to do A. So A, 0.3250 grams times 1 pound. Under that is obviously the pound I got from the formula I showed y'all, 453.59 G, and then we're trying to get the pound. So the calculation I did was 0.3250 divided by 453.59, and then this was my answer. Always make sure you put what you have right here at the end of your equation, at the end of your answer. You always want to do that. And then for B, we're converting 78.5 tablespoons to milliliters. 78.5 tablespoons times, I got that from the formula, obviously, 14.78 milliliters, and then a tablespoon at the bottom, and then we want milliliters. That's what we want. And then so my calculation was 78.5 times 14,787, and then it equaled 1160 decimal 7795 milliliters, or it equals 1.16 times 10 3 squared, or 3 squared, my bad, milliliters. And then for C, 98.7 decimal 630 miles times 1 kilometer, under 0.62137 miles, and then kilometers. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're trying to convert to. And then calculations I did, 98.7.630 divided by, hold up, my lighting, 630 divided by 0.62137, and then 1589.439 kilometers or kilometers is what I got. And then the next one, let me see. All right, the next one, we're doing yards to miles. So this is how we do this one. 0.05673 yards times 1 mile, under 1.0936 yards, and then 1 mile, 16,093. That's also yards too. I just forgot to put it. And then miles. Calculation, 0.05673 divided by 10936 divided by 16093, and that equals 0.000322338 miles. And then for E, it's different. We're working with squared, and we're trying to get QT off of feet 3 squared. So this is how we do this one. We do 68 feet 3 squared times 28.317 liters. 1 feet 3 squared times 1.0567 QT, and then 1 liter at the bottom. And then this is what I got for my calculation: 68 times 28.317 times 1.0567, and then I got this. Let me put QT. That's what I got for my answer. And then for F, we're trying to convert troy to kilogram, and then this is what I did for this one. 1.357 troy times 31.103 G's or grams. 1 troy OZ times 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams, and we're trying to get kg. My calculation was 135.7 times 31.103 divided by 1,000, and then I got this for my answer: 4.220677 kilogram. Thank you. Have a nice night.